guys, it's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Ethereum. Now, as we can see right here, Ethereum is dropping low, just like I said in my previous video that we will definitely expect Ethereum to dump low. Why? Because you could say that we've been getting a lot of massive pumps ever since we got to this level right here. We got 8% pump to the upside, and some little bit of correction is to be expected, which I'm still leaning towards Ethereum dropping all the way down to 4,500 to 4,480 dollars. So within this range, I think is a very good level where you should be placing buy order on Ethereum. Now, with the look of things, if I should take this away to explain to us what I think will probably play out for Ethereum, yes, I would definitely put this line for people who didn't watch my previous video. Now, the first will be cotton rates by Wednesday, which is very, very good, guys. Very, very good. But here is the catch. When the Feds are able to cut rates on Wednesday, we should definitely have it at the back of our mind that the market has already been front-runned. Yes, most of the volume for the first batch of people to not lose whatever profit they need to lose, or make a lot of profit, or to maximize profit. The first set of investors in crypto to try as much as they can to maximize profit, they've gotten in like 3 weeks ago. Why do I say 3 weeks ago? Because if you look at gold, from the weekly time frame right here, you could see that ever since we had this consolidation around this level. I drew this on my Bitcoin analysis. Ever since we had this consolidation for, like, let me say 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 for roughly 4 months. After we had this consolidation, you could see that gold was pumping for roughly 4 weeks. Gold was pumping. Now, why was gold pumping? Because people were trying to de-risk themselves from stable coins, from their fiat currencies, and move their money into gold, because people definitely knew that the interest rate in banks will definitely be reduced. So people foresaw or realized that the Feds will definitely be cutting rates in the future. So people were already moving their money from fiat into gold, then from gold to stocks. That's why when you look at the S&P 500, you can see that the S&P 500 has also been soaring for weeks. So this is very, very good to see, especially given the fact that this is also a bullish signal for altcoins, for Ethereum, Bitcoin, and every other altcoin, that the money is leaving the stable coin, not just stable coin, fiat, and it's moving into risk on assets or low risk assets such as gold, S&P 500, and the risk on assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and every other meme coins and altcoins. So this is very, very bullish. This is one of the leading indicators to signify that yes, money is being flown, or liquidity is moving, or volume is coming into the cryptocurrency or into the crypto space. Now, this brings us back into Ethereum. Now, for Ethereum, I don't know why my lines have not. Okay, for Ethereum right here, we could see that before I dive straight into Ethereum, we now have that knowledge that the market has already been front run. So now that the FOMC meeting will be cutting rates, we definitely know that people have already made a lot of profit from 4,400 all the way to 4,700, or people even made more profit, because if we move to the weekly time frame for Ethereum, not just the daily, okay, let's just say the daily. From the daily, people were already buying from this level right here at $4,200. So people who bought over 1,000 quantity worth of Ethereum, they're already in profit. So these people will definitely want to take some profit off the table, because they want to de-risk themselves from the FOMC meeting. So people in profit will definitely want to de-risk themselves, and as you can see, that de-risking is already happening, because people are kind of skeptical of how the FOMC meeting will go. But people are definitely sure that FOMC meeting will cut rate. But the market will not go the way we plan. The market can never go the way you plan it to go, or the way you want it to go. So when FOMC meeting will be cutting rate on Wednesday, maybe the market will definitely be rallying by then. But by Monday, Tuesday, a lot of volatility will happen, a lot of manipulation will take place. So those who have used like 50x in anticipation for the first to cut rate on Wednesday, those that are longing with 100x, 50x, 20x, 15x, 25x, they will get liquidated, or they'll be scared that they might get liquidated and they will exit the market. So by the time the market drops all the way down, by the time Ethereum drops all the way down to 4,485 or 4,480, that might be a case whereby we might even drop lower, because this Fed's cutting rate is not actually an assurance that will rally immediately. No, will definitely, the Fed's cutting rate is just an assurance that the government will have to print a lot of money, Feds will have to print a lot of money, which will take time. So which gives us the time frame between September, October, November, and December to make life changing money. So if you're interested in making this life changing money along with me, definitely do not waste your time. If you want to join my premium Telegram group, shall we be making you'll be getting signals to trade, or you'll be getting alphas to trade. Hit me up down below in the description section. You could hit me up on Telegram, X, or you could send me a mail. Yeah, so I feel the markets will definitely be, manipulated during Mondays and Tuesdays and even Wednesdays. So there will be a lot of volatility, which will lead to some negative pullbacks, yeah, or some negative volatility, which will lead to pullbacks. And I think all the way from worst case scenario is 4,400. From 4,400, we most likely have to recover from there and rally much higher. So this is just my own take on Ethereum from for now. Nothing too serious. So yeah, if you have any comments, if you have anything to say, drop it under the comment section. This is just my own analysis, because you should definitely know something about this cryptocurrency. The market never go the way you expected it to go. If the FOMC, if Fed will be cutting rates by Wednesday, you should definitely expect a lot of weak hands to be shaked, because people can't just sit down and watch the market just go according to plan. It doesn't work that way. This market makers will definitely look for one or two ways to shake off the weak hands. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful week. Thank you guys. Peace out.